Because on a cruise, forgetting one small item doesn't mean inconvenience. It means missed shore days. It means surprise charges. It means standing in line while everyone else is relaxing. Cruise ships are floating cities with rules, limitations, and pressure points most passengers don't discover until it's too late. If you watch this in order, you'll pack cleaner, safer, smarter, and faster. You'll avoid the mistakes that quietly ruin first-time and even experienced cruisers. This is not a packing list. This is a step-by-step system. Let's start before you even touch your suitcase. Phase 1 Teen Pre-Cruise Protection, what you must pack before leaving home. Purpose: prevent denied boarding, delays, and money loss. Step 1 Teen Physical Travel Documents. Action pack printed copies of your passport, cruise ticket, and travel insurance. Why it matters: phones die, apps glitch, and port Wi-Fi is unreliable. What goes wrong if skip delayed boarding or denied check? In pro tip, keep one copy in your carry-on and one in your main bag. Step 2 Passport Protector Sleeve Action. Use a waterproof ARFID blocking sleeve. Why it matters: humidity and spills destroy documents. What goes wrong if skip water damaged passport equals port denial? Pro tip, crew, use these sleeves for a reason. Step 3 Cruise Approved Luggage Tags. Action: use plastic or metal tag holders. Why it matters: paper tags rip off during handling. What goes wrong if skip your bag arrives hours late? Pro tip, be clear holders. Speed luggage sorting on board. Step 40 Emergency Contact Card Action. Carry a card with emergency numbers. Why it matters: phones get lost. What goes wrong if skip medical delays? Pro tip, add your cabin number once on board. Step 5 Small amount of local cash. Action: carry small bills. Why it matters: ports don't always accept cards. What goes wrong if skipped mess taxes and tips? Pro tip, smaller bills, avoid bad exchange rates. Fees 20 embarkation days. Survival purpose: get on board faster and stress-free. Step 60 Carry on day bag. Action: pack essentials for first 6 hours. Why it matters: checked bags arrive late. What goes wrong if skipped: no meds, no swimsuit, no comfort. Pro tip, treat embarkation like a travel day, not vacation day. Step 7 refillable water bottle. Action: bring an empty bottle. Why it matters: dehydration starts early. What goes wrong if skip headaches and fatigue? Pro tip, fill it after security, not before. Step 8 comfortable closed shoes. Action: wear walking shoes. Why it matters: terminals require long walks. What goes wrong if skip foot pain before vacation starts? Pro tip, elevators are crowded, stairs are faster. Step 9 lightweight jacket. Action: pack one in your carry-on. Why it matters: ships blast AC. What goes wrong if skipped to cold dining rooms? Pro tip, crew cabins are freezing for a reason. Step 10 portable phone charger. Action: bring a high-capacity power bank. Why it matters: boarding drains batteries. What goes wrong if skipped missed app notifications? Pro tip, cruise apps replace paper schedules. Phase 3 cabin control essentials. Purpose: turn a small cabin into a functional space. Step 11 magnetic hooks. Action: pack heavy-duty magnetic hooks. Why it matters: walls are metal. What goes wrong if skipped no storage? Prep: use them for hats, bags, jackets. Step 12 over the door organizer. Action: bring a slim organizer. Why it matters: counter space is limited. What goes wrong if skipped constant clutter? Pro tip, shoes and toiletries fit perfectly. Step 13 night light or motion light. Action: use a battery-powered light. Why it matters: cabins are pitch dark. What goes wrong if skipped stub toes at night? Pro tip, bathrooms don't have night lights. Step 14 wrinkle release spray. Action: pack spray instead of iron. Why it matters: irons are banned. What goes wrong if skipped wrinkled formal wear? Pro tip, hang clothes in steamy shower. Step 15 extra hangers. Action: bring foldable hangers. Why it matters: cabins provide limited hangers. What goes wrong if skipped piled clothes? Pro tip, crew won't deliver extras quickly. Phase 4 health and comfort defense. Purpose: avoid illness and discomfort. Step 16 motion sickness remedies. Action: pack bands or medication. Why it matters: seasickness hits unexpectedly. What goes wrong if skip lost days in bed? Pro tip, take meds before symptoms start. Step 17 basic medication kit. Action: bring painkillers, allergy meds. Why it matters: ship pharmacies are expensive. What goes wrong if skipped overpaying on board? Pro tip, prices can be triple. Step 18 hand sanitizer. Action: carry a small bottle. Why it matters: norovirus spreads fast. What goes wrong if skipped cabin quarantine? Pro tip, use before elevators. Step 19 sunscreen. Action: bring reef safe sunscreen. Why it matters: port prices are inflated. What goes wrong if skipped burns or high costs? Pro tip, some destinations ban non-reef safe types. Step 20 lip balm and moisturizer. Action: pack travel sizes. Why it matters: sea air dries skin. What goes wrong if skip cracked lips? Dry skin. Pro tip, worsens dehydration. Fees 50 shore day essentials. Purpose: protect time and money in port. Step 22 anti-theft day bag. Action: Use a /proof bag. Why it matters. Tourist areas attract pickpockets. What goes wrong if skip lost passport or phone. Pro tip: crossbody bags deter theft. Step 22. Waterproof pouch action. Protect phone and documents. Why it matters. Beach excursions get wet. What goes wrong if skipped. Water damage. Pro tip: use even on boat tours. Step 23. Portable towel clips. Action pack lightweight clips. Why it matters. Wind blows towels away. What goes wrong if skip lost towels. Fees. Pro tip: replacement towels cost money. Step 24. Comfortable walking shoes. Action bring broken. In shoes, why it matters. Cobblestone streets. What goes wrong if skipped. Blisters. Pro tip: new shoes ruin shore days. Step 25. Small first aid kit. Action pack bandages and wipes. Why it matters. Minor injuries add up. What goes wrong if skipped. Missed excursions. Pro tip: ship medical visits are expensive. Phase 6 tech and money control. Purpose: avoid surprise charges. Step 26. Power strip without surge protector. Action: use cruise approved models. Why it matters. Cabins have few outlets. What goes wrong if skippedly charging chaos. Pro tip: surge protectors are confiscated. Step 27. Offline downloads. Action: download maps and documents. Why it matters. Internet is limited. What goes wrong if skipped. Navigation issues. Pro tip: use airplane mode with Wi-Fi on. Step 28. 8 blocking wallet action. Protect tech cards. Why it matters. Skimming happens. What goes wrong if skip. Fraud alerts. Pro tippy: use one with zip closure. Step 29. Daily expense tracker. Action: track onboard spending. Why it matters. Charges add up silently. What goes wrong if skip. Shock at checkout. Pro tip: review account nightly. Step 30. Cruise lanyard action. Use one with quick release. Why it matters. Cabin card is everything. What goes wrong if skip. Locked out. Pro tip: crew use quick release styles. Phase 7 quality of life upgrades. Purpose: make the cruise feel premium. Step 31. Earplugs or white noise action. Pack sleep aids. Why it matters. Hallway noise. What goes wrong if skipped. Poor sleep. Pro tippy: early port days are loud. Step 32. Reusable laundry bag action. Separate dirty clothes. Why it matters. Cabins smell fast. What goes wrong if skipped. Mixed clothing. Pro tip: mesh bags breathe better. Step 33. Formal night accessories action. Pack minimal dress upgrades. Why it matters. Formal photos matter. What goes wrong if skipped. Regret later. Pro tip: photos are expensive to redo. Step 34. Lightweight backpack action. Foldable backpack. Why it matters. Excursion flexibility. What goes wrong if skipped. Carrying bags by hand. Pro tip: packs flatten luggage. Step 35. Notepad or notes app action. Track plans and reminders. Why it matters. Schedules change. What goes wrong if skip. Missed events. Pro tip: write cabin number on first page. Fees 80. Disembarkation prep. Purpose: leave without chaos. Step 36. Luggage straps or identifiers action. Mark bags clearly. Why it matters. Similar luggage everywhere. What goes wrong if skip bag mix-ups. Pro tip: bright straps are easiest. Step 37. Final night outfit and carry-on action. Pack next day clothes. Why it matters. Bags go out early. What goes wrong if skip morning scramble. Pro tip: shoes too. Step 38. Zip top bags action. Separate wet or dirty items. Why it matters. Leaks happen. What goes wrong if skipped. Ruined clothes. Pro tip: also for toiletries. Step 39. Departure documents folder action. Keep papers together. Why it matters. Fast exits. What goes wrong if skipped. Delays. Pro tip: crew checks quickly. Step 40. Gratitude cash for crew action. Small tip envelopes. Why it matters. Crew remember kindness. What goes wrong if skipped. Missed appreciation. Pro tip: handwritten notes go far. Final warnings and traps to avoid. Do not overpack clothing and underpack function. Do not assume the ship sells what you forgot. Do not rely on internet or apps alone. Most cruise regrets come from thinking, I won't need that.